Hi guys, Keith from Terra-x here. Just in this video I want to show you our wheel spanner set that we make. There's been some confusion as to how it actually works on the tyre lever, so I'm just going to do a quick video and just show you how simple it is and how much it weighs. Just going to drop you down a bit. So here's a little set. Each of these individual pieces come off and they just fit onto this little adapter, which you can see is a nice tough little unit with a weight saving hole through the middle. It literally weighs next to nothing. So we have 32, which if you've got a CRF you'd be glad of that. 27, which is probably the most common. 24, an XR. 22, Yamaha front. And a 19, again probably an XR or TTR. So pretty much every size that you would need if you wanted to carry the whole lot. But let's just go with the 27. We'll take the 27 there, put the adapter through the middle of it. Then we get our tyre lever, which fits over the adapter. And what you've got there is a monster spanner by using the lever as a lever. These pieces here are not just a chunk of steel, they are actually extremely strong tool steel. They won't deform. You can't break them. They're just, you could jump on top of, up and down on this thing, and it would, even the toughest wheel nuts would be able to get undone. And I don't know about you, but I've seen people struggle big time with wheel nuts that haven't been undone for a while. When they need to get them off in the bush, they're just oxidised and tight. This will take care of it. So I'm just going to show you the weight. Just get a bit closer. Okay. So first of all, the adapter with a 27 on it. If you just want to carry that, just to not carry the other pieces, 55 grams, almost next to nothing. But I'm going to just do the whole lot together. $180. Yeah, if you want to carry the whole lot and help your mates out, or just be prepared for anything you might come across, then 180 grams, slightly more than just a chain breaker, or round about one tyre lever. Yeah, 160 grams for a tyre lever. Alright, thanks for watching.